Okay, I got these two kind of screws. First of all, this one, and then how to open it. You will try to open it with this one. As you can see. Oh yeah. Okay, I will use this one for this. Bang. Okay, yes, it is working on it. Okay. This is unlocked, as you can see. If you move it towards that, it will be unlocked. Shall I do it properly to unlock it or not? Yes, it is done. Yeah, just removed it. Okay, I'm doing it on the table, so I will clean it later on. It has got a lot of dust, so I need to wash it like with the water, just rinse it with water. But I'm not gonna do it now because I don't have. Okay, that's like proper cover. Okay, see, this bit is totally blocked, if you can see it. Okay, to remove this, to open this, I think I will have to open this bit. I got this knife, as you can see. Okay, and this is the scissor to cut all these threads. Knife, this was for kids, you know, I don't know from where we got it, but I'm gonna try to open it with this. Okay, yes, it's working. This way or that way? I don't know. Yeah, it worked. No. And try to clean this bit first. I can't open these screws. You know why? Because it will be a big mess for me. So I will try to just take it out with this knife. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is a lot of stuff. Honest to God. Okay. See, everything is full of dust. I don't know if you can open this bit or not. No, you can't, or it will be going out anyhow. No, I'll break it. It is quite expensive and you know it. Okay, I got this toothpick because there is a little bit of stuff left, so I want to just remove it with a toothpick because I don't have any other things. So let's see how it will help me or not. Yes, it is helping actually. This was a little bit left inside there, so I don't need anything else. I can wash it as well, but I don't want to wash it, you know, just to put water from this side and it will come out from that side, but I don't want to take any risk before I check it, so I need it urgently to clean this now. So I will show you how to do it. Toothpick is gone in the garbage. Okay, from this from here you will start. Okay, so you will start cutting the hair. Okay, hair, threads, everything is stuck in there because what it does is push all the garbage, like anything, dust or all these things, and which is, if it is here, you just bring them closer to this sucking place so that it will suck all these. So what will I do? I will put it like this, as you can see. Here it is gone inside properly. Now this bit here. No. Ooh-wee. Okay, as we are using this for unscrewing. Okay, it's a bit hard. Actually done before with the knife as well, or with, because you don't have any big screwdriver for it, so you have to do it with the knife or something else. Okay, it is not going out now, as you can see. Nothing is happening. It's gone. Good. Done and dusted. Okay, this bit you have to put it on here. As we can see, this will go inside. Okay, there is a little bit of, clean it here. Okay, here we go. I will put it like this. Now this panel, there is this bit, if you can see, you have to just click it over here and then move it all the way to here. So with this I will try, if I can do a click. Needs a bit of push. Yep, yeah, it's done. Now just move it with this one. Yeah, it is done. It's ready to go now.